14 Tripura Women Federation workers were injured in a car accident while returning home after deputing to the Sipaijala District Magistrate Office against illegal infiltrators. The incident took place in the Golgati Bhagwan Thakurpara area under Takarjala police station. While party workers and supporters were on their way home in a vehicle with registration number TR0181839, the vehicle suddenly lost control and overturned. Hearing the loud crash, locals rushed to the scene and informed the Takarjala Fire Brigade. Upon receiving the information, the Takarjala Fire Brigade rushed to the spot and took the injured to Dayarampara Primary Health Center. A total of 14 Tripura Women Federation workers were injured. 6 of the injured were referred to Agartala GB Hospital as their condition was critical. Upon receiving the news, party leaders rushed to Dayarampara Hospital, met the injured, inquired about their physical condition and also spoke to the doctor. Sensation spread throughout the area after 14 party workers were injured in a car accident on their way home after a deputation. Reported by Jiban from Bishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.